Hi everyone, I am Divya Jain, your own business systems coach, and today we are going to discuss about strategy, about your content strategy. The content strategy I would have used in 2025 was if I was restarting. Okay, so there is one thing which I want to mention. Before deciding the content strategy, I would have changed one thing. Instead of offering 10, 15 services to my clients, I would have offered only one service, one key offer which I would have promoted in all my posts, in all my content, in all my webinars or consultations. Why? Because it creates focus. My audience becomes very clear what I'm offering one and what they can get from me. Instead, they will not get confused. Okay, so this is the first thing I would have changed. Now when we talk about content, see, when we have decided this offer, I would have created all my content around this offer. Whatever I am reels I am making, whatever post I would have been sharing, it would have been around this key offer only. Of course there would be other products, other services also, but those will be side offers, not the key product. So I would have loved to promote this key product, key service in my all the posts. Third thing, not only content, but when whatever we are doing as business activity, for example, coaching, consulting, or maybe webinars, whatever I would have done, it would have been around this key offer only. Okay, why? Because we need to generate sales. We do not need to showcase our services. So when we are looking forward to generate sales, that means the customers should be very clear what they are getting out of our webinars, what they are going to get out of our consultations, and that would have been the same key offer. Fourth thing, after deciding the webinars and everything, okay, so I would have loved to create some small side offers as bonuses with my key offer so that I can highlight my key offer in a better way. Instead, the focus is going on the side offers, the focus should be on key offer only. So I would create some bonuses around that. So this is what I would have done in 2025 if I was restarting. Thank you.